Have you ever wondered what hidden natural marvels are out there in the world? While many of us know the famous landmarks, some breathtaking wonders are tucked away in the least expected places. These secret spots are full of unique ecosystems and fascinating geological formations that make them truly special. From glowing caves to colorful dunes, nature never stops surprising us. Join us as we uncover these hidden treasures that show just how amazing our planet can be. 1. Underwater Waterfall, Mauritius. The underwater waterfall is one of nature's most beautiful illusions, found off the coast of Mauritius. While it looks like a dramatic waterfall under the sea, it's an optical effect created by sand and silt moving on the ocean floor. The movement is caused by underwater currents that make the sand appear to be tumbling down into the deep ocean. This spot is located near Le Morne-Brabant, at the island's southwestern tip, where the underwater terrain dramatically drops off, enhancing the illusion. From above, the mixture of the ocean's blue water with the sandy ocean floor creates a stunning view that looks like a waterfall flowing endlessly into the abyss. 2. Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. The Door to Hell is a fiery pit in the heart of Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert. What began as a natural gas field collapse in 1971 turned into one of the most bizarre and striking natural phenomena when geologists set it on fire to prevent harmful gases from escaping. They expected the fire to burn out in a few days, but over 50 years later, the crater is still ablaze. It's now a glowing hole in the desert, roughly 70 meters wide, attracting tourists from around the world. The Door to Hell is especially captivating at night when the fiery pit lights up the dark desert around it. 3. Fairy Pools of Isle of Skye, Scotland. The fairy pools on the Isle of Skye in Scotland are like a hidden treasure in the Scottish Highlands. These pools are famous for their crystal-clear blue waters that flow down from the mountains, forming a series of natural waterfalls. The sight of the water, so pure and clear, gives the pools a magical feel as if they belong in a fairy tale. This area is not just beautiful, it's also a thriving habitat for various forms of life. The fresh water is home to small fish and insects, which provide food for birds and other wildlife. Surrounding the pools, you'll find lush green plants and wildflowers, adding to the serene atmosphere. The fairy pools are a perfect example of how nature creates stunning landscapes that also support a rich ecosystem. 4. The Marble Caves of Chile. The Marble Caves of Chile are hidden away in the remote region of Patagonia, sitting in the middle of General Carrera Lake. These caves are a true natural wonder, with smooth, swirling marble walls that have been shaped by the lake's water over thousands of years. The sunlight reflecting off the turquoise water makes the marble glow in shades of blue, creating a stunning sight. These caves aren't just beautiful, they also play a role in the lake's unique aquatic ecosystem. The marble helps create the perfect environment for various fish and plant life to thrive. The caves offer shelter and help maintain the water's clarity, supporting a healthy and vibrant underwater world. The marble caves show how nature's beauty often goes hand in hand with its delicate balance. 5. Mount Roraima, Venezuela. Mount Roraima stands at the border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, looking like a giant tabletop rising out of the landscape. This flat-topped mountain, with its sheer cliffs, is often surrounded by clouds, giving it a mysterious and otherworldly appearance. It's one of the oldest geological formations on Earth, making it a truly special place. The ecosystem on Mount Roraima is unique because it's so isolated. Over time, many plants and animals here have evolved to live only on this mountain and nowhere else in the world. You'll find rare orchids, unusual frogs, and even tiny plants that eat insects. This special ecosystem shows how life can adapt in incredible ways when it's cut off from the rest of the world. 6. The Wave, Arizona, USA. The Wave in Arizona is tucked away in the Coyote Buttes North area and is one of nature's most amazing sights. Its sandstone formations look like frozen waves, with smooth flowing lines in shades of red, orange, and yellow. The shapes and colors are so unique, making it feel like you've stepped onto another planet. Even though the Wave is in the middle of a harsh desert, it's part of a delicate ecosystem. Specialized plants and animals have adapted to survive in this tough environment. Small shrubs and cacti find places to grow in the rocky soil, while lizards and insects make their homes among the rocks. The wave shows how life can find a way, even in the most challenging conditions. 7. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia is the world's largest salt flat, spanning over 10,000 square kilometers. This vast white expanse was formed by prehistoric lakes that evaporated over millennia, leaving behind thick crusts of salt rich in lithium. It is so flat that it's used to calibrate the altimeters of Earth observation satellites. During the rainy season, the salt flat is covered with a thin layer of water that turns it into a giant mirror, perfectly reflecting the sky and creating a surreal landscape where the horizon seems to vanish. This phenomenon makes it a popular spot for photographers and adventurers alike. Visiting Salar de Uyuni feels like stepping onto a different planet, and the local tours often include stops at cactus-filled islands and hotels built entirely of salt blocks, adding to the otherworldly experience. This unique landscape offers a glimpse into Earth's geological past and presents a stark beauty that's both mesmerizing and unforgettable. The best time to visit Salar de Uyuni is during the rainy season from January to April, when the mirror effect is most pronounced. 8. Glowworm Caves, New Zealand. The Glowworm Caves in New Zealand are hidden beneath the North Island and are like a scene from a fairy tale. Inside these caves, thousands of glowworms light up the ceilings, creating a starry sky underground. The tiny blue-green lights make the cave glow magically, leaving visitors in awe. These caves provide the perfect home for glowworms, which need dark, damp places to thrive. The glowworms use their light to attract insects, which they catch to eat. This delicate balance helps maintain the underground ecosystem. Other small creatures and plants in the cave also depend on this special environment to survive. The glowworm caves are a beautiful example of how life adapts and creates its wonders in hidden places. 9. Pamukkale, Turkey. Pamukkale in Turkey is a stunning natural wonder, hidden away in the Denizli province. It is famous for its white, terraced hot springs that look like they are made of cotton or snow. These terraces are formed by mineral-rich waters that have flowed down the mountainside for thousands of years, leaving behind beautiful, smooth pools filled with warm blue water. The hot springs at Pamukkale create tiny, unique ecosystems. The mineral-rich water supports special types of bacteria that can live in these hot, salty conditions. These bacteria give some of the pools their vibrant colors and help keep the water clean. While it may look like just a pretty place, Pamukkale is also an example of how life can thrive in unusual environments, making it a truly unique natural wonder. 10. Lake Hillier, Australia. Lake Hillier is a remarkable pink-colored lake on Middle Island in Western Australia, known for its vibrant and unusual hue that contrasts starkly against the deep blue of the surrounding ocean. This pink lake measures about 600 meters in length and is surrounded by a rim of sand and dense woodland of paperbark and eucalyptus trees. The reason behind its distinct pink color is still under investigation, but scientists believe it is due to the presence of Dunaliella salina microalgae, which produce a red pigment called carotenoids, and possibly in combination with halophilic bacteria in the salt crusts. Unlike other pink lakes around the world, Lake Hillier maintains its pink color year-round, which adds to its allure. The lake is particularly striking when viewed from above, offering a surreal visual experience that captivates photographers and nature lovers alike. We've explored a diverse range of natural wonders, each tucked away in unexpected corners of the world. From crystal-clear pools in Scotland to alien-like landscapes in Yemen, these places showcase nature's incredible ability to surprise us. Each spot has its unique ecosystem, supporting rare plants and animals that have adapted to thrive in these special environments. These hidden gems remind us of the beauty and diversity our planet holds, often where we least expect it. Thanks for joining this journey to discover the Earth's secret wonders. Share this video and subscribe for more incredible nature adventures.